Okie dokie. Ready to go. Section 6.1. You guys can read about what's going on here. 6.2. We have to prepare virtual kernel file system. So let's say make directory, preserve, or parent and verbose, $LFS. Need to make dev, proc, sys, run. And creating initial device nodes. We just need to say make node mode 600 $LFS dev console. Let's see, character device major 5 minor 1. Okay. And we'll just cut this apart. 666 is dev null character 1 and minor 3. Cool. We have to mount and populate the device folder. So let's say mount verbose bind dev $LFS dev mount verbose type dev pts dev pts $LFS dev pts dash options, I think that is, group ID equals 5 mode is going to equal 620. Okay. Mount verbose type proc $LFS proc mount verbose type sysfs. By the way, there's no difference here with the switches if I space it out and just use the T switch, or if I just say, you know, the VT together. There's really no difference there. $LFS sys and we can say run. Should be tempfs. Good. Okay, and we need to say if then h $LFS dev shared memory, then make directory parent verbose $LFS encapsulate read link $LFS dev shared memory. Close it with V. Okay. And you may have seen this here. You got double slashes right there. Okay. I don't think I've noticed it before in any other LFS, but I have noticed it here, and it doesn't really seem to cause an issue, so do not be alarmed. Okay, package management, upgrade issues, package techniques. Okay, symlink style. We're not going to do any of this here. It's all reading material. Time-based, timestamps, package archives, LFS of multiple systems. Okay, on to 6.4, chroot environment. Now we have the chroot. This is important. chroot, $LFS, tools, bin, env-i. Home is going to equal root. Term is going to equal $, actually encapsulate $term. PS1 var is going to be stop. Escape W, escape $, space, pop out again. New line. Path equals bin stop, user bin stop, sbin stop, user sbin stop, tools bin stop, user bin stop, sbin stop, user sbin. Good. Tools bin bash login plus H. Okay, you should see your PS1 prompt should have changed to I have no name. Okay, if it didn't, you're not chrooted in properly. Go check that out. Okay. Creating our directory structure now. So let's say make directory parent for both. Say bin boot etc. And underneath that we have to create an opt sysconfig pop out, and we need to say home lib mount op. Okay. Good. Also need media, floppy, CD-ROM, sbin, serve, var. Okay. Good. Install. Create directories as needed. Mode 7500750. Root. Okay, 1777. Temp var temp. Okay. Make directory parent verbose user encapsulate. We need local fail local / inside of here we need bin include lib sbin source. Okay. We also need to take this out here, and we need a local share color, dict, doc, info, locale, man, directory. Okay. Good. Now do not get confused here. I'm going to go over here and we'll take out this parent and we'll keep all this right here. Let's encapsulate. We need miscellaneous, term info, and zone info. Okay. And we can remove all that and we can say lib execution libexec. And let's take this out. User local share man encapsulate 1 through 8. Notice here we have the parent directory. Good. Okay, next our case statement here. Case uname m in x86 underscore 64 link symbolic verbose lib 64. Now do you have to do this if you're 32-bit? I don't know, it didn't specify. Okay, but just looking at the case statement here, it says case uname M or case machine architecture in x86 64. So even if you're 32-bit and you're running this, it's not going to pick up that you're x86 64. So it probably won't even do this at all. Okay. So, but that's at your discretion there. If you are a 32-bit user, I would just run this just to be sure, but check up on what I am saying. Okay. And I say link symbolic verbose lib user lib 64 and link symbolic verbose lib user local lib 64 and close it with case backwards. Good. Make directory verbose var encapsulate log mail spool link symbolic verbose run var run need run lock var lock make parent directory verbose var encapsulate opt cache lib encapsulate color miscellaneous locate local opt cache lib. Okay. deal. And we have to create files and essential symlinks. So let's do that. Another good thing about reading this in links with a Y is a lot of the mandatory things you have to read is all pushed over to the left. And that really helps out a lot. Some stuff jumps out at you, but it's all pushed over to the left like that. Really helps you out so you can kind of skim along. Echo present working directory stty. Link symbolic for boost, tools, bin, bash, cat, echo, present working directory stty. Let me say tools, bin, Perl, user, bin, tools, lib gcc.so, and you say comma.1 to user lib. Good. And also too we have tools lib standard C library so .6 okay. Said need to replace tools with user tools lib std C++ LA user lib std C++ LA. Place user, place tools with user, tools lib standard C++, I think it's dynamic library, into user lib std C++, okay. Link symbolic for boost bash bin sh. Link symbolic proc self mounts with an S, that's the M tab. Okay, good deal. Now we have to create the Etsy password file by saying cat into Etsy password EOF root stop x stop o stop o stop root stop / root stop bin no stops bash. Alright, check that out. Okay. Bin 11. I say bin stop dev null stop bin false. Okay. Nobody. Unprivileged. Space user. stop, dev null stop bin false. It's always good to slow down and check. Okay. We can close that with EOF. Now we have to create an Etsy group file. Into Etsy group. End of file. Root. Get a nice little bop going. You can go ahead and kind of pump it out. Kmem. Maybe 3. Tape. TTY. Daemon. Floppy. Disk. We've got LP. Dial. Out. Audio. Video. Utemp. USB is at 14. CD-ROM is at 15. Mail is at 34. No group is at 99. EOF. Okay. Now we have to say, see if we're right on. Execute. Tools. Bin. Bash. Login. Plus H. Alright, great. Your PS1 prompt should have changed to I have no name to root. Okay. Now we have a few more things to do here before we're out of the woods. Let's say touch. var log encapsulate bitmap or bittemp last log wtemp. Okay. Change group verbose utemp var log last log. Change mod verbose 644 var log last log. We have btemp here. Change that to 600. Good. Alright, good deal. We're actually on the way. So I'm gonna cut this here. And well, what I can do is I can tar XVF or actually I can cd to $sign LFS. We're we are CH rooted into our new environment. This is really our operating system. This is our LFS environment. We have the toolchain all ready to go. All our symlinks and everything's created. Directory structure is created. So from here on out, what we're building is actually a part of our operating system, not so much a toolchain anymore. So there'll be a few tests and checks and some extensive things, and it's a lot of fun. So I'm gonna go get some coffee. But while I do, I'm gonna say tar xvf Linux. We're gonna install the Linux API headers in the next one. Let that burn off. Back up at say 6.7. So peace out.